ProDelphus Surgical Simulators presents Lazarus, the new standard in training for thoracic and abdominal surface wound procedures. Lazarus is a high-fidelity male torso designed to offer realistic, hands-on experience for essential medical procedures, including stoma management, placement of tubular drains and Penrose drains, thoracic drainage and dressing application, wound treatment and vacuum-assisted closure therapy. Fully customizable to meet the specific training needs of each institution, Lazarus is the perfect solution for training young surgeons and for nursing practice in multiple training sessions. Discover the versatility of Lazarus and enhance your clinical education programs. Contact our team. We are ready to develop the ideal solution tailored for your training requirements. ProDelphus Surgical Simulators. Excellence in surgical training.